I've been walking through the valley, shadows closing in. Every step feels heavy, burden deep within. Tears fall like the rain, my heart can't take the weight. But I know you're near me, you never come too late. Jesus, I need you now, more than ever before. I'm broken and weary, come open the door. Shine your light in the darkness, show me how. Hold me close, Jesus, I need you now. I've tried to stand alone, but I keep falling down, searching for your mercy when I can't hear a sound. But even in silence, I believe you're here. You're the peace in the chaos, you wipe away the fear. Jesus, I need you now, more than ever before. I'm broken and weary, come open the door. Shine your light in the darkness, show me how. Hold me close, Jesus, I need you now. You are my healer, my savior, my friend, faithful forever, love without end. I'm reaching for you, don't let me go. In your grace I'll be made whole. Final Jesus, I need you now, more than ever before. Pour out your spirit,